Hi guys, okay, so this is going to be the second part to the iBook, and this is the little iBook that's got the problem. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the back off the iBook and I'm going to quickly show you um, basically how I'm going to try and fix this thing. Now I've had some tips from Zen 3K, so so long as I follow his instructions, okay, I should be alright. Okay. So I'm just going to tilt the screen down so you can't see me. Okay. Let's see. Right there. Okay, so there's the iBook. Bring that a little bit closer. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, first of all, I'm going to take the battery off this, set it to the side. Okay, I'm going to get my screwdrivers, and I'm going to start taking these off. Sorry, wrong thing. Start taking the pads off the feet. Okay. That's now, just for anyone that doesn't know this, these iBooks come subject to graphics chip problems. Now, the iBook G3 is notorious for these, and mine has come foul to it. When you're taking a laptop apart, it's best to, as you take the thing apart, keep all your screws in the order that you take them out, and then it's pretty simple just to put it all back together again. Do it in reverse, really, and that is really all there is to it. Now, I've taken this little iBook apart before to fit a hard drive into it. I upgraded my hard drive on this. And do you want to know something? I don't really use this little iBook too much. Okay, we're going in here now to the so we're in here where the battery compartment is, and I'm sorry, but I'm recording this on my MacBook, so I can't really get you in here. But there's two tiny little screws here, right where the battery connection is, and they need to come out to take this back plate off. Okay. And they go there, so that they're nice and safe. I need to get a safety pin next and just open, stick it in the pin, because this is not a slot loading, this is a tray loading iBook. So I've opened this out, and right in here, right down here, there's a tiny little Phillips screw, and I can't remember whether I actually need to take this off or not for just taking this back plate off. Do you want to know something? I don't think I do. Anyway, so what I need to do now is, where the battery is, there's a tiny little catch. Just put a screwdriver in, gently prise it out, and that's it. And then all you got to do is gently, very gently, run along here and lift this up, and that is right. Okay, so that's the back off. Okay, now this is the bottom of the iBook, don't forget, okay? Right, I don't know whether you can see it or not. I'll try and lift it up. Okay, right here, there's a tiny little square embossed piece of this silver plate, okay? Underneath there is the graphics card. Now, what a lot of people do, and you can find this on YouTube, is that they take this silver plate off and then they have to heat up the graphics chip underneath here to get the soldering to go down, to melt and for it to connect better. Now, I'm not going to do that just yet. I'm going to try the less invasive way, which is putting pressure on here. Okay, so what I've got is, I've got these cork adhesive. That's how thin they are. Okay, they're very, very thin. And I'm going to lay them here. Around the graphics chip. Now this is very, very unconventional, okay, and a lot of people are going to think that I'm doing this wrong. But I've got a little piece of metal, again very, very thin, but it's going to give me the solid base that I need. Okay, all it is a hinge, a flat hinge. And I'm going to lay that on top, just like that. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put this thing back together again. So, that's it all back together again. Let me put the battery in. Alright. Let's flip it round. Okay, I'm just going to come back up. Right. Okay guys, sorry, everywhere's a mess here. I've got things all over the place. So, right, I'm going to plug my Mighty Mouse in here because I do know that the trackpad doesn't work on this that well. Now I'm going to plug in the power to the iBook, and hopefully when I boot this little baby up, I'm going to have a clear enough screen. Okay guys, let's have a go. Let's see. Oh, there's light on the apple. Obviously it's going to take a little bit of time. This is no MacBook or MacBook Pro or a PowerBook even. This is the first Apple product I ever bought, and I love it, and I don't want anything to go wrong with it. And I'll do whatever I can to keep going. Okay, so far so good. Basically what happens is these things don't even boot up when the graphics card goes, and they're very temperamental even when you get them fixed. So far so good. I would say that's pretty much done the trick. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. That's the iBook G3 fixed, hopefully. I'll be able to do an update maybe tomorrow, see if it is still fixed. Anyway, thank you very much to Zen for giving me the tips and the advice. Just one last thing. The reason I done this was because this iBook G3 was well out of its warranty, and so it didn't really matter whether it went wrong or not. My advice to anybody else that has a MacBook or MacBook Pro or something that's new and still within its warranty, don't really try fixing it yourself. Other than things like upgrading the RAM and the hard drive, anything else like that, my advice is go and check it out with Apple. Make sure that those guys will be able to fix it for you. Okay, thanks for watching the video and see you all soon. Bye.